Welcome back for day 2 of the knife found in the river. We're going to polish it today. The astute of you will notice that there's green crud on the blade. That is a polishing compound. Today on this video with me is...
me.
Again, his YouTube channel is Super Space Gamer 606. I'll link it in right about here. Awesome sauce. So what we've got here today is we've got our polishing compound already on it, and we've got a Dremel tool. I'll be controlling the Dremel tool over here. He's wearing some cut-proof gloves so that we don't lose any fingers doing this. And we're going to get started, but first I just saw that you about spilled that. Let me scoot that out the way. Okay, are you ready?
I think so. Oh.
Okay, we need to turn up speed a little bit.
Okay.
Right about there is good.
Oh, it's so weird.
Hoping that the polishing compound's going to shine it up real nice. We'll see how it goes. And depending on how long it'll take, we might end up doing
a part 3.
I got some of the
weird stuff in my mouth.
Look.
Time to go to the back now.
Is it doing anything? Is it taking the rust off?
Oh, yeah, it's taking that rust off, definitely.
This is the boring part of the video. We'll probably fast forward through this part and give it some kind of cool music to listen to.
Make sure to edit this part out. Like, just edit out saying that, just so it's not, like, weird or anything.
Everything I do is weird. Don't you watch my stuff?
Yeah, true. Alright, can you turn off and check the progress real quick? Alright, so this is the progress that we've made so far. Doesn't look that different at all. Yeah, not different.
Alright, well, we made it hot. That's about all we've accomplished.
No shinery. Maybe we should get the rust off and then do this to get the shine on. That makes sense.
I guess we're going the old-fashioned way.
What about the scrubby sponge thingies?
Well, go for it. Knock yourself out.
Yeah.
A little bit of moisture wouldn't hurt. Yeah, it's hot soapy water. Soapy water. I don't know if it's still hot.
No, it's definitely not so hot. I should have strained it out. Let me do that real quick.
I also have a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser over there too. That ought to help. What's this doodad right here?
Oh, that's what it is. Have you used it in the past?
That's how I got that so shiny.
Oh, by the way, check out that video. It was created like an hour or so before this video, so...
It's not done yet. I'll link it.
Wait, is this a triple upload right now? Because didn't you do 2 different videos before I came?
Yes. And then this is video number 3 for the day.
So, triple upload party, woo-hoo!
Alright, let's not use the scratchy sponge anymore because you scratched the metal a little bit right there.
Yeah,
it's alright. We can buff it out.
We're gonna use Mr. Clean.
Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. That thing has cleaned so much stuff. I'm surprised it's still going.
Yeah, we should probably get some more of those, actually. You can see it. Nice, I guess.
I still like the idea of fast forwarding through all this and playing some cool music for the folks.
Yeah, we should probably do that. Just edit us out saying this and just...
I know. You guys need some polka in your life.
What is that and why?
Polka music?
Never heard of it.
You know, in some countries it's used as a form of torture.
Because it's so bad.
It's up there with Justin Bieber music. It's just awful shit. Anyway.
Bark music stuff. Like up there with bark music, actually. Oh, that looks really nice. After you get done with that, I think I can take the other side. Alright. Now we know. This thing works well. I don't need eye protection because I'm human, but why not?
What?
I don't need eye protection, but because I'm human.
What does it have to do with not needing eye protection?
Because I'm human.
It makes 0 sense.
All the squids need eye protection, you know. Squids need eye protection. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Hashtag squids needs eye protection. Alright, it's Steampunk Squid Boy. Did my thing die completely? Come on up. Rise. Nice. So we have a full-fledged dagger. Not dagger.
You try.
You try to do that? Okay. Let me try to do that. I don't... Hold on. Should I get my glove off for this? Because I don't think I can do it with my glove on. Yeah. There we go. How can you even do that? It's so easy to pull it out, yet so hard to flip.
Watch. With it closed, hold it like this. Okay, now push the button. You got to push the button to close it. Push the button to close. Oh God, never close it like that. You just about lost fingers. Okay, then just.
Are you holding the button when you're doing it?
No, no, not holding the button at all. Just like this.
I don't think I can do that. Yeah, there it is. Turns out we only needed part 2, and this video was apparently 18 minutes long.
It won't be when I'm done editing, but it's done. I may tinker more and try to get it shinier off camera, but at least I got all the rust off of it.
So, that's good.
And there's a little bit of blade damage right there. I'm going to try to get that out.
You want to try to cut some string with it?
Not that string.
String do we have that's not useful?
I don't know.
Okay, well,
I wouldn't cut your shirt.
I think that's the end. You know what?
Alright.
You go first. Like and subscribe. Make sure to comment what we all want to be called for the week. Hashtag Purple Ninjas, hashtag Purple Samurai, or hashtag Jiggly Larva. Okay.
Alright, so we want you to drop kick the notification bell.
Pimp slap that like button.
And you're going to elbow drop the subscribe.
And make sure you comment that you've done it so we know.
There you go. Well, that's it for today. We'll see you next time. Bye for now. Later.
Peace out.
Cool. Maybe.